Hello, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to take a look at the Generac 7127 iQ3500, a 3500 watt portable inverter generator, seen here in orange and black. It's a fantastic little machine with almost 2,000 ratings on Amazon, averaging 4.6 out of 5 stars. Generac makes a great product and has other similar models as well, so feel free to check those out. And on this particular model, you can also get it bundled with a 3-prong adapter. It's ultra quiet, 40% quieter than Honda advanced inverter technology, and the enclosure design provides optimal quiet performance. It's ideal for work or play, with a durable steel enclosure, clean inverter power, and easy portability. Makes it the ideal generator for job sites or recreational activities. Has 16% more power than Honda, featuring Power Rush advanced technology. Has a digital smart LCD, digital wattage meter, runtime remaining display, generator status, hour meter, and fuel level. It's also got USB ports so you can charge your mobile devices, including smartphones and tablets. It's got an electric start with 3 operation settings integrated into one simple-to-use dial. Let me share with you a fantastic review from Sean M., a verified purchaser. He said, "My family just went through a 55-hour power outage after a tornado in our area. We decided that we wanted to be better prepared for the next time. We lost most of the contents of our fridge and some of our deep freezer. After looking at many reviews and generator types, I decided on this one. We know that this generator won't run the entire house, but this was more about providing power for the essentials in an emergency. I just don't have the space for a massive 7,000 watt generator, and the noise those would make probably would drive my neighbors crazy. After putting the oil fuel in the generator, it started up on the first pull. I let it break in for the first hour, then changed the oil. Tests of this generator are very positive. I'm able to run my upstairs fridge and our deep freezer in economy mode with no trouble at all. This will also run the power vent on my gas hot water heater. I'm looking at getting an electrician to wire my gas furnace out to a plug and receptacle to allow me to run that as well. I have no illusions that this little generator will run all of the stuff at the same time, but it does provide plenty of emergency power for my needs." Nice. So order yours today. It's available on Amazon Prime, which means free shipping and free delivery. You're gonna love it.